Here's a couple of ideas I'm going to share with you on kayak storage. These are a couple of belts that we're going to get thrown away from my job. It's from a machine that moves boxes, but we replaced the belts and we're going to toss these out. And I said, hey, don't toss them, I can use them. So I flipped them inside out. I mean, I could probably switch them the other way, and this is a rubber, keep it from sliding. But another cool feature that I just discovered about this was, if I want to work on the kayak, all I got to do is, bam. I can work on the top. I can work on the side. I can work on the bottom. I mean, you could probably do this with a couple of toe straps too. That was just a lucky accident that happened. And all you gotta do is, and actually if you want to tilt it forward a little bit, you slide this to the front so it's narrower, and then move that one to a wider part, and it'll actually tilt the kayak up a little bit. Pretty neat. I think I've got this kayak sold. You might be seeing it on YouTube eventually. Works great for boats too. I can stand here and work on this. I've got all this free space over here. I can bring the kayak back, set it back on my... I'll do that while I'm talking to you. They're really easy to move around too. This kayak's kind of heavy, but when you're sliding it around on these things, my cradles, pretty cool. I've already got an idea over here. I've got these other belts that I cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a loop in the end of each one of these, hang them from up here to where they're down about, just about that far off the ground, about a foot or two off the ground. That way I can work on kayaks under here. It doesn't look like it's being stressed at all because I moved the straps in and it's hanging right about where the seats are. I guess I could probably move the boat this way a little bit so it'll be right on the seats, but that boat's kind of heavy for moving around by myself. But as far as dragging it, it drags okay. Check it out. I've already done what I said I was going to do. This is my pedal kayak. I guess you call it a Hoodoo Tempest clone. But yeah, it's off the ground. It's not sitting on that stupid cart anymore. I don't have to worry about it creasing the bottom or stressing it or anything. So now it's up and out of the way. Got a light up there too, so I can plug the light in. I mean, my tables are in the way now because this is actually where I was walking through when I was working on kayaks on the side, but no biggie. I can move the tables over to the end for putting my stuff. I mean, I got too much junk on my tables anyway. Right now it's just to get stuff off the ground. I'm working on my trailer. I took my kayak cradles and screwed them to the trailer so that I can haul my kayaks. I got that Trident 13. The problem with the Trident 13 is, you see what it looks like when it's on the ground? It's toppled over to one side. That's what these are for. I added these where my straps are going to go. I'll put these inside of here, and then I also added plastic here for the cinching of the straps, and I don't got to worry about them chafing on there. My taco I didn't finish. That's all I did with my trailer. I did a bunch of mods to the kayak, but time for work. Gotta go. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and send me $1.